prefer, like, love. Expressing preferences with ease. Hello language learners. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very important aspect of conversational English, expressing preferences. We'll be focusing on how to use the words prefer, like, and love to share your tastes, interests, and favorites. So, if you've ever been stuck trying to explain what you like or love, or if you prefer one thing over another, this video is for you. Let's start with understanding the basic meanings of these words. Like is used when you enjoy something or when you have a positive feeling about it. Love is a stronger word than like, and it indicates a strong affection or deep enjoyment of something or someone. On the other hand, prefer is used to choose or want one thing rather than another, showing a greater liking for one. Now let's talk about using like and love to express preferences. When you say, I like ice cream, it means that you enjoy ice cream. It's something that gives you pleasure. When you say, I love ice cream, it means you have a very strong positive feeling towards ice cream. You don't just enjoy it, it's one of your favorite things. Let's now explore using prefer for showing stronger preferences. When you say, I prefer chocolate ice cream to vanilla, it means that given a choice, you would choose chocolate over vanilla. It doesn't necessarily mean you don't like vanilla, you just like chocolate more. Remember, while like and love are quite straightforward in their usage, prefer is a bit different. With prefer, we always need to mention two or more options because we are making a comparison. So you can say, I like cats, or I love cats. But if you want to use prefer, you need to compare cats to something else, like, I prefer cats to dogs. That's it for today's lesson on using prefer, like, and love to express your preferences in English. I hope this makes it easier for you to share what you enjoy, what you adore, and what you favor more. Keep practicing these expressions in your conversations, and remember, there's no better way to learn a language than using it. See you in the next video.